Good morning, everyone. So we're in the woodshed again today, but that's all right. Raining a little bit outside, so we'll just take the video in here. This video is a special birthday edition for a gentleman named Mike. His very special wife ordered this knife for him for his birthday in October from me quite a while back now, and this is a surprise, as I say, so he has no idea until he sees this. And of course, apparently this is a knife that he's been wanting, according to her. So here we go. There it is, right there. A little not so great on the light today. This is my bushcraft woods knife. It's got a 4.5-inch blade, about 8 3/4 overall length, and it's got jimping on the spine, as you can see that. And I've got some really awesome tiger maple on that for him too. So this one's yours, Mike. Hope you like it. It'll be showing up in a few days, and well before your birthday. And happy birthday. Thank you again, Kelly. We really appreciate it. And we'll talk to you again. Thanks again, everyone.